Hello, my beauties. It's Carol. How are you doing? Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays, and I hope you have a great one. And I'm so glad you're with me today. I'm just making a video just to connect with you and tell you a few little things. If you're looking for a cute little gift for somebody, look at this lipstick. Isn't that cute? It's a little purse. And basically, it comes with a chain, and it comes in black with a red lipstick. Just wanted to show you that. Today, I am wearing Silver Coast by Good Chemistry, and also Jasmine Rose. I have been wearing this for the past few months. I put both of them on. It's so delicious. This is so clean. Absolutely clean scent, and this is just so sexy. It's just a gorgeous combination. I'll put links down below. I believe Good Chemistry sent me this through Octoly, but I've already showed it to you. They don't expect me to show this to you again, but I'm showing it to you because I really love it. And just a bunch of tidbits today. Today I'm wearing the Superstay Matte Inks by Maybelline in Heroine number 25. And to me, it is a dupe for the MAC Lady Danger, which is my favorite and only red that I keep wearing is Lady Danger. Okay, so because I have to wear masks, this is what I've been wearing if I need to wear red. I'm going to bring out red for the holidays. Also, another thing about wearing masks, why it is so fabulous, not just for the virus protection, but it's great to shield your face from the sun's harmful rays. I mean, right here, isn't this where we want to hide from the sun? Is right here. And when you wear a mask, it's perfect. I never have to worry about the sun eating up my collagen. So that's a good tip. Let's see what else. Next videos that I will be coming up with in the new year will be a lot of makeup tips, how to look younger, how to do your eye makeup, how to do your lips to make them look bigger. There's nothing like a makeup artist that does your makeup and just follows the lines. That's not what you want. You want someone to enhance your eyes, enhance your cheeks, enhance your lips, and not just follow what you have on your face already. You want someone to enhance every feature. And I'm going to show you all that. Also, I must say, I love my kids so much. They are just the gem of the earth. They are so good to me. My daughter brought over a shopping bag full of little gifts, and there it is, and a poinsettia, and that Christmas snowman, which was my late sister's Christmas ornament, and I don't have really any ornaments anymore, and she knew I would like it. It kind of has a little music box in it. So I'll show you the first thing that I took out of the shopping bag, because there are enough gifts to take me till Christmas. And she said it's not my Christmas gift. It's just a precursor to Christmas. And it's just to put me in the spirit. And look at these chocolate bombs. It's handmade by my granddaughter, Daniella. She melts the chocolate. She fills the little bombs with marshmallows and who knows what else, little goodie surprises. My granddaughter's been making these chocolate bombs, and she's incredible. What you do is you put the bomb in a mug, and then you pour in hot milk, and the milk dissolves the bomb. It opens up, and all the little goodies that she put in there get into your hot cocoa. Okay, now we put some piping hot milk in the cup with the chocolate bomb. Look at it. It's opening. I'll take my candy cane spoon. Oh, is that cute? That is so cute. Thank you, Daniella. Aww. How adorable is that? It's a work of art. So I am going to announce the winner of my giveaway at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. And I did want to show you something that was very clever. I bought these straps on Amazon. They're just a few dollars each, and let me show you. They are straps for your purse. You can make a purse out of your wallet, out of your tiny little pochettes, and it comes like this. You can adjust the strap, and it's got these gorgeous hooks on them, and they come in all those colors. And I just ordered the pink, and I have the chocolate brown, I have the milk chocolate brown, and I use it all the time on my Louis bags, on little wallets that I can transform into a purse to run out with. And they're really, really strong and sturdy, and they're only a few dollars. So these are fabulous. If you don't like the straps that are on your bag, or you want to make a phone holder or a wallet into a bag that you don't have to hold, look at that. These are great. So fabulous. Okay, so let's see. Now let's see who won the fabulous giveaway from Teddy Blake. And I want to wish you a Merry, Merry Christmas, a loving holiday, whether you are with family and friends or not. I know it's a hard time, and don't worry if you're not. The day will pass, and it's all good. It will still be a beautiful day. And a lot of us can't get together because it's cold where a lot of people live, and they can't go outside to have their meal or their celebration, and they can't bring everybody in. So I just hope that you are thankful for the things that you do have, and let's pray for the world. I'm praying for you, and Merry Christmas. Let's pick the winner. Congratulations! Congratulations, Makeup with a Song. Get in touch with me at my email, ocarolshow@yahoo.com, and I will have Teddy Blake send you out your gift. Thank you so much for entering. Thank you, everybody, and I'll see you in my next video.